Good morning, my dear students. As you all know, your first periodic exam is going to commence from coming Monday, and your revision is going on. Revision is very important before exam, so you have to revise all the syllabus very sincerely and get good scores in these exams. I hope you will do your best. Now we start our revision. Today we will revise second poem Fire and Ice, written by famous American poet Robert Frost. Fire and Ice is a short poem consisting of two stanzas dealing with two possibilities of destruction of the world, one with fire and the other with ice. In this poem, the poet has used fire and ice as the two symbols. Fire represents desire and ice represents hatred. Let's see the stanza. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Now, in these lines, the poet want to say that here is the two possibilities of destruction of the world. First, some people believe that the world will end in fire. It is believed that in the Bible there is a description of the end of the whole world by fire. Second possibilities, some people believe that the world will end in ice, or this belief has been given to us by scientists. So, it is the literally meaning of these lines. What is the symbolically meaning of these lines? कि अब symbolically meaning क्या है यहाँ पर वो हम करते हैं. Here the poet relates fire with desire. So, from this point of view, the poet want to say that desire generates evil and violence in the world. क्या जनरेट करती है डिजायर evil and violence, and the poet has experienced the evil effects of desire in the world, so he want to say that desire is equally harmful as the fire is. So on the basis of evil effects of human desire, the poet favors the fire. It means the poet favors those people who think that the world will end in fire. It means poet यहाँ फायर को डिजायर के साथ रिलेट करता है और कहता है कि डिजायर जो है वर्ड में इविल एंड वायलेंस जनरेट करती है, और पोएट ने इसके इविल इफेक्ट्स को एक्सपीरियंस कर चुका है, मतलब डिजायर के इविल इफेक्ट्स को पोएट एक्सपीरियंस कर चुका है और इस बात को एक्सेप्ट करता है कि यह उतनी ही हार्मफुल है जितनी की फायर है. सो ह्यूमन डिजायर के इविल इफेक्ट के बेस पर पोएट उन लोगों के फेवर में जाता है जो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि वर्ल्ड का एंड फायर से हो जाएगा. लुक एट द सेकेंड स्टेंजा. बट मीन्स ice is also so powerful for the destruction of the world. If means if the world will get a second chance to destroy, the world will end in ice. ये तो हो गया लिटरली मीनिंग कि अगर वर्ड को दोबारा चांस मिलता है तो वो आइस में एंड हो जाएगा. बट मीन्स कि आइस से तो फायर से तो एंड हो ही रहा है वर्ड का, और आइस भी जो है वो उतनी ही पावरफुल है डिस्ट्रक्शन के लिए, वर्ड के डिस्ट्रक्शन के लिए, तो आइस से भी वर्ड का एंड हो सकता है. नाउ व्हाट इज द सिंबॉलिकली मीनिंग of these lines? Here the poet relates ice with hate and want to say that hate is the another weapon to destroy the world. I think it means the poet knows that there is so much hate in the world, and this hate would sufficient to destroy the world. Symbolically, द पॉइंट वांट टू से दैट कि जिस तरह से फायर एंड आइस बहुत डिस्ट्रक्टिव पावर है, इनसे वर्ड का एंड हो सकता है, उसी तरह से डिजायर एंड हेट नेगेटिव ह्यूमन्स इमोशंस हैं और इनसे ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप का एंड होता है. सो हमें इन नेगेटिव ह्यूमन इमोशंस से बचना चाहिए फॉर द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Got it? Now look at the question answer according to these stanzas. First one is, people believe that the word will end either in dash or in dash. Answer of this sentence, fire and ice. Either in fire or in ice. Second one, desire in the third line stands for. Four options are given. Correct option is uncontrolled passions. Third one, I in the stanza refers to the poet. Last one is, here to favor fire implies that here is a dash element. Four options are given. Correct option is destructive element. Favor fire implies that fire is a destructive element. Next stanza. First one is, it in the first line represents the word. By ice is also great. The poet means to suggest that ice has as much ability to dash as the fire has. Correct answer is destroy. कि ice is also great. The poet means to suggest that, it means the poet wants to say that कि ice भी उतनी ही ability रखती है word को destroy करने की जितनी की fire. Ice here represents. Four options are given. Correct option is hatred. A word in the exact that means the same as destroy is. वर्ड बताना है आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट में से डिस्ट्रॉय का सिनोनिम perish. I hope you understand very well. Keep hard working, my students. Thank you.